Hey, it's Shanique. Welcome back to another Mat Pilates. The upper abs muscle is so important to understand how to connect to it so that we can lift our upper body and build the endurance for doing all the abdominal series in Pilates. Sometimes when we get it wrong, we start feeling strain into the neck and the shoulders, and we get tired very fast. For today's video, you will need 2 pairs of dumbbells, one 0.5 and one 1 kilo or 1.5. I wouldn't go heavier than that. We just want to learn how to connect to the muscle of the upper abs with the arms and the spine. You ready? Let's get started. So we are going to begin with a few arm circles to release any tensions that you may have in your shoulder joint and shoulder girdle. So with the palms by your side, you're going to inhale, align yourself well, shoulders over hips, hips over ankles. Deep breath in, raise your arms up towards the ceiling. So you're going to test here, can you lift your arms higher without sticking your ribs out? If that's not possible, then keep your arms here, but continue lengthening your abs. This is what's going to give you the range of motion in the future to take your arms further back into your spine. Exhale, arms down. Inhale. Deep breath in. Sense that your arms are really long. One more time. Exhale, arms down, then you reverse. Arms sideways, arm up to the ears. Exhale. Turn your palms sideways. And exhale. One more time. And exhale. Down. We're going to lengthen the rib cage up. We inhale, lift the waistline, and then exhale and switch. Inhale. And exhale, switch. One more. And exhale, switch. Last one. And exhale, switch. Stay here, and we're going to change your breath. Inhale. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. One more. And exhale. Lower your arms down. And we're going to side bend. Right arm up towards the ceiling. Side bend to the left without shifting your hips. So you stay hips over ankles. Exhale, squeeze your abs as you come up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, breathe in. And exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. One more each side. Last one. Exhale. Now we're going to roll forward and start connecting with the abs right away. Deep breath in, take your arms up towards the ceiling. So you can maintain your arms by your ears, behind your ears if you're a little bit stronger, but just notice it's not that. Your ribs are not sticking out. You are aligned, head to shoulders, shoulders to hips, and then you're going to exhale. So you keep your hands above your head. You're going to soften your ribs. Exhale. Bend forward, soften your knees. And stay forward. So you want to keep your knees soft. You're going to keep your abdominal pulled in and up. And then you're going to roll yourself up using just your abs. Your arm stays right back behind your head. And arms down. Once again, we breathe in. Keep the arms up. We nod the chin in. We scoop the abs. We bend forward with soft knees. We deep breath in. And we exhale down. Now we're going to do a few circles to release any tensions in the shoulder joints. So we deep breath in, arms stay above the head. We exhale. We stay forward and we do 5 circles. Exhale.
Change direction. Exhale. Then again, the arms move back behind the head. Inhale. Lift your body off your legs.
And then exhale the arms down. Now we're going to go for chest expansion. So if having a lot of air when you roll up make you feel dizzy, stand tall for a second, allow yourself to center onto your feet, and it will pass. All right, chest expansion, palms face back, deep breath in. You lengthen your tummy, your crown of the head up towards the ceiling. You look right, you look left, center, exhale. Look left, look right, look center. Deep breath in. Look right, look left, look center, exhale. Look left, look right, center, exhale. One more set. Last one left. And exhale, release. All right. Okay, ready for the mat work? We're just going to do a few up and down on the ankles to warm up the feet, the legs, all the way to the pelvis. So right hand over left hand, deep breath in, lift the collarbone, lift the ribs. And then exhale, down, deep breath in. And then exhale, squeeze the ab. 3 more times. 2. Last one, inhale. And exhale. We stay up on the toes, deep breath in. We loosen up the knees, loosen up the hips, and we squat down through the heels. And then we sit back. We go right into the 100 position. Legs turn out, chest goes up. So you're floating your ribs off the mat, and exhale and begin your pumping. Two more counts. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend the knees. Stretch your arms back. Lengthen your tummy. And float your feet. Grab your small weights if you need to use your small weights, your tail band, or your yoga strap for the roll-up. Arms up towards the ceiling. Flex your ankles. Anchor your shoulders down. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Nod your chin to your chest. Lift your spine up and over. Exhale. Now this is where you start applying those arms above the head. If your weight is not heavy, lift them above the head. See if you can keep that shape. Inhale, roll back. And head down. Again, that was your exhalation. Inhale. Nod your chin in. Lift your chest. Lift your ribs. Scoop your tummy. Exhale. Arms above.